I am an engineer. Hi, I know that you've been wanting to make this or have it, eat it, and not spend so much money. So join me today while I show you how to go about it. I know you're gonna have a good time. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Know It All. My name is Laura and I'm here to show you the things that you would need to bake a vanilla cake. We're going to start talking about the equipment that you need. These are the things that you would buy and you would not need to buy them over time. I'll start with the oven. You have the electric oven, the gas oven, or if you don't have any of these, you just have your stove and a large pot. That does not it's enough for you to bake your cake. You just need to use the large pot to create a local oven for yourself. Then we also have the pan, really important. That's where your cake will be baking in. And then the measuring cups and spoons. I didn't mention that, but baking is a science and you need all your ingredients measured. Even if you don't need to buy certain things, but I would advise that you buy your measuring cups and spoons. Very important. Now you need your mixer. Now if you have a stand mixer, beautiful. You have a hand mixer, it goes very well. Now if you don't have any of these, you can still use that bowl in your kitchen and the turning gari or the turning stick, whatever you call it. That one you use to turn your amala, your eba, your semo can work very well with your bowl to bake, to be able to mix and make your cake. Now we're done with the equipment that you need. We'll now go to the ingredients that are very important for this process. We have flour, all-purpose, cake flour, bread flour. There are so many types, but for this particular take, we just use the all-purpose flour. This can be found in your market. The closest market you can get to, go there and ask. And that flour you see there is all-purpose and it works for a lot of recipes. You have your sugar. The white granulated sugar is beautiful enough for that. Then you have your fat. Now the fat can be oil, that's a vegetable oil. It can be butter, it can be margarine, or it can even be shortening. You just need fat to ensure you bring out a good cake. Then you have eggs. Then you have baking powder, baking soda, and I have an ingredient that I would never bake a cake without. This is very important. It ensures that you have moist cake. So I don't just use milk, not just milk for my cake. I'll also add buttermilk or yogurt. This is a beautiful addition for you. Then you have your flavor. One of the things that the flavor does is that it kills that egg smell. A lot of people don't like it. Some cakes have this eggy smell. Your flavor kills that. The purpose of this particular recipe or video, we're going to be talking about just the vanilla cake. Just vanilla flavor because of the vanilla cake. You can have coconut flavor, strawberry, banana, butterscotch. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you must have learned a thing or two on today's episode. Watch out for the next episode because we're going to now practically work on these things that we talked about. We're going to practically make a cake. And if you have any questions or you have any inquiry or anything you want to know about a cake, you can chat me up, send me a message on Instagram at Miss Azande. I am an engineer. I'm a professionally trained engineer and I'm a pastry enthusiast. I love making new recipes. I love creating new pastry recipes. So you can follow me on that and I know you're gonna have a good time. And I'll gladly answer your questions. I would gladly, meet up with you and have whatever conversation.